Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Ma Moon. It's a pleasure to connect across time and space. If you're feeling overwhelmed by life, stressed about circumstance, feeling scarcity mindset, feeling like you can't manifest the financial situation to meet your basic needs, feeling lonely, depressed, despair, hopelessness, tiredness, anger, perhaps even joyfulness. Know that you're not alone and that millions, if not billions of people can relate. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Come back to awareness of something beyond the pain and anxiety. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be present and aware of your space, aware of how you feel, aware of any tension inside, witnessing and welcoming all that's here and now. Gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space. Noticing any discomfort, restlessness. Know that it's natural. Having patience with yourself as you look in. Safe to close the eyes. Taking a deep breath in. Breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go of stress. Every cell in your body breathing in. Exhale, letting go. Doing good, my friend. Stay with me. aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat as you breathe in and breathe out. Inhaling trust and exhale, letting go of worry, feeling worries leave the mind, leave the body as you come back into a sense of empowerment, knowing that you can navigate all of these challenges just fine. Breathing in, breathing out, inhaling, exhale, inhaling with your whole body, and exhaling with your whole body. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing your face. Breathing in strength. And exhale, letting go. Of your hands and feet, opening your heart space by simply noticing the heartbeat. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhaling love for life. Letting go of negativity, inner criticism, self-hatred, shame, guilt. Letting all of that go as you come back into a compassionate state of awareness. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Feeling everything slow down as you bring your attention inwards, witnessing and welcoming your inner world as it is. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhaling very softly, very gently, bringing all your attention inwards, returning home to your awareness with the sound of the bell. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy to have you here today. Sending you encouragement across time and space. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And breathing in beauty. Exhale, letting go. Breathing in intuition. And exhale, feeling more in tune with life. Breathing in grounded energy. Exhale, feeling more centered. The color for today is light blue. The number is 2000. And the animal, are you ready for it? The animal for today is a hippopotamus. Letting go of thoughts, letting go of self-limiting beliefs, self-limiting storylines, coming back into abundance mindset, feeling yourself abundant, new opportunities to create, new opportunities to heal, new opportunities to overcome obstacles, new opportunities to laugh, new opportunities to cry, new opportunities to let go. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Taking one last deep breath. exhale. I thank you for joining me today, my dear friend. I'm sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of resourcefulness, an abundance of creativity. And I feel called to share with you today the importance of balancing comfort with discomfort. Sometimes we can hanker to be comfortable too much. And likewise, we can also be really hard on ourselves. So it's a balance. Sometimes you're comfortable, sometimes you actually push yourself out of the comfort zone. And if you don't do that, then life will do it for you. So you might as well do it yourself. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.